Good morning, students. In today's module, we will learn about Rolle's theorem, on which your exercise 5.8 is based. Rolle was a mathematician, so he gave one theorem which is known as Rolle's theorem. According to that theorem, if a function f from closed interval ab to real number r is such that if a function is such that it satisfies three conditions, which three conditions? It is continuous in the closed interval ab, it is derivable in the open interval ab, and f of a is equal to f of b, then there exists at least one value c belonging to open interval such that f dash c is equal to 0. What does it mean? It means that if a function, suppose we have to verify Rolle's theorem, then it must satisfy three conditions. Which three conditions? Firstly, we will check whether the function is continuous in the closed interval. The interval will be given to you. Clear? And you have to check whether the function is continuous in that closed interval. Second, in open interval, whether it is derivable. Can we take out its derivative in the open interval? Is its derivative is defined in that open interval? Third, at the end points of this interval, end points are a and b, the value of function is same or not. If these three conditions holds, then देयर मस्ट एग्जिस्ट एटलीस्ट वन वैल्यू सी, कम से कम एक वैल्यू होगी, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दो भी हो सकती हैं, तीन भी हो सकती हैं, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द गिवन फंक्शन. सो देयर विल exist at least one value c belonging to this open interval such that f dash c is equal to 0. Clear? Question is, by this question you will be clarified. See, for better understanding, I take this question. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function y is equal to x square plus 2. The interval is given to you. In this interval, you have to verify Rolle's theorem. So, the function is this. Firstly, we will check whether it is continuous. Children, this is what? This is polynomial function. And every polynomial function is continuous. Clear? So this function being a polynomial, it will be continuous on the set of real numbers. It means it will be continuous in this closed interval, because हर real number पे continuous होता है, तो it's given closed interval पे भी it will be continuous. Second, we will take its derivative. Its derivative will be 2x. F dash x will be 2x. Now if we take this open interval and we give any value from this open interval to here, then f dash x will be defined. We don't have to see what value comes. We have to just see some value comes now, but it should not be infinity. Clear? Then we will check whether at end points the function value of function is same. Keep x minus 2. You will get minus 2 square plus 2. Then similarly we will calculate f2. Both are coming out 6. It means at end points the value of the function is same. Clear? So by Rolle's theorem, f minus 2 is equal to f2. So all the three condition holds. It means there exists at least one value c belonging to this such that f dash c is 0. F dash x was what? 2x. So f dash c is 2c. So c is coming out 0. And this belongs to the open interval. It will belong to the open interval if three conditions are getting satisfied. So hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Another example, suppose function is x square minus 1, interval is 1, 2. Firstly, we have to check continuity. Again, it is a polynomial function. So being a polynomial, this function will be continuous on R, in particular in this closed interval. Secondly, if you take its derivative, again it is 2x, and if you will in this open interval 1, 2, it will be derivable. Now f1 at end points, this is 1 na, at end points 1 and 2, you have to calculate its value. It is coming, is it coming out same? F1 is what? 1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. But at F2 it is coming out 3. So third condition is not satisfied in this case. At endpoints the value of function is not same. So it means Rolle's theorem is not applicable. What was the question? Examine Rolle's theorem is applicable. So Rolle's theorem is not applicable in this question because third condition is not satisfied. Clear? One more example is this. Suppose this greatest integer function is given to you, gent. X is what? 5 to 9. This open interval is, this closed interval is 5 to 9. So firstly we will check its continuity, and suppose we check its continuity at the point 6. So limit x going to 6 minus f of x, if we calculate the left hand limit at x is equal to 6, limit x going to 6 minus this 6, because it is 6 minus, so you may give it 5.9, and if you will keep 5.9, then after applying gent it will become 5, and at x going to 6 plus it will be 6.1, so it will become 6. Clear? So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit at x is equal to 6. Clear? It means limit doesn't exist, and if limit doesn't exist, how can the function be continuous? Because for being continuous both limits should be equal, and further this limit should be equal to fx at x is equal to 6. Clear? So fx is not continuous. So first condition is not verified, और अगर first condition ही नहीं verify हो रही, then we will not check further. So Rolle's theorem is not applicable in case of greatest integer function. Clear? Thank you.